In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a customer in Xero. Adding customers to your Xero account is an essential task that can help streamline your business processes by ensuring all your contact information is stored neatly in one place. So, let's get started by opening up the Xero website. To begin, navigate to the URL bar of your internet browser and enter the Xero website address. Once you're on the homepage, if you aren't already signed in, make sure to log in with your credentials. After successfully logging in, look towards the navigation menu at the top and click on Contacts. This will direct you to a page where you can manage existing contacts and add new ones. Next, you'll want to click on Customers. When you're on the Customers page, you should notice an option that says New Contact. Go ahead and click on this button to start entering the details for your new customer. This is where we'll input the customer's information. Start with entering the contact name. This is how your customer will be identified in the system, so make sure it's accurate and easily recognizable. If applicable, you have the option to enter an account number. Some businesses use this to keep track of specific customer accounts, so include it if it's relevant to your business needs. Following that, enter the customer's first and last name. Having the correct names ensures that your communications, invoices, and other documents are addressed appropriately. Next up is the email field. Carefully enter the customer's email address here. This is crucial for sending invoices, payment reminders, and other important communications, so accuracy is key. Additionally, there's an area for business information along with other fields. Here, fill out any business-specific details that might be necessary, like the company name, phone number, or address. It's beneficial to complete as many fields as possible to ensure you have all relevant information at your disposal for seamless communication and billing. After you've filled out all the contact information, look for the Save and Close option. By clicking this, you will save the new contact to your customer list within Xero. This action not only adds the new customer to your official records, but also makes it easier to manage invoices and payments down the line. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new customer to Xero, and now all their details are neatly organized and ready for use in your account. Remember, keeping your contact information up to date is vital for efficient business operations, so always take a moment to verify details before finalizing them. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful and look forward to assisting you with more Xero tips in the future.